Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel. I am Alexandria Monique, and today I'm going to be talking about ways to level up your life spiritually, mentally, and physically. My first tip is to pray for other people. Take a week and literally don't ask God for anything for yourself and just pray for other people, or just pray for like your significant other. Just constantly pray for them every day that week. And I'm telling you, it will change your life. Try it out. And I want you to come back here and tell me how it went. Tip number 2 is to read a scripture every day, try to apply it to your life. The Bible app has daily scriptures where you don't even have to go looking for anything. They have it for you right there at the beginning of the app when you open it. Read the daily scripture, listen to the person speak about it, and see how you can apply some part of it to your life, some part of the way they explain the scripture to your life. And that in itself, you trying to apply the word to your life, will be life changing in and of itself. My third tip is to be kind to people. Smile back at people, greet them. You don't have to sit and have a full conversation with a stranger, or you don't have to be naive, and you don't have to speak to, God forbid, someone who's scary, or someone who, you get the wrong energy from. When you lock eyes with someone, give them a smile and, just keep going. You never know what your smile and you actually showing that you noticed someone else can do for them, and how it could change their life. Tip number 4 is to take time in your day to be alone with your thoughts at some point during the day where you can be alone, even if it's in your car. Don't have anything playing, just have a moment and just enjoy the ride in silence. And especially if you have kids or you live with someone else, that is an amazing time to just really have some peace and quiet, when otherwise you might not have that in your regular day. That gives you time to really see how you're feeling, to let your thoughts just run wild. It's just a great opportunity to kind of check in with yourself. Tip number 5 is to affirm yourself every single day. If there are any negative thoughts that constantly come up in your mind, write them down. Things that, are being said in your heart, write them down. And next to them, write down the opposite, the positive to that. So, for example, if you're constantly thinking, oh, I always have such a bad day, right next to it, today is going to be incredible. Or, I always have the best days, or the blessings of God follow me all throughout my days. And just start affirming yourself and taking away that negativity. And that will be such a game changer for your mindset and for what you believe that you can do. My next tip is to read a book, listen to a sermon, listen to a podcast about something that you want to learn about every single day. It doesn't have to be a scripture or a Christian book. It could be just something that you're fascinated about, something that you're interested in, that you want to learn more about. There are so many inspirational podcasts, so many things out there that if you're like, hey, I want to learn more about this, go out and find podcasts or books that you can listen to, a sermon about it, and listen to something every day. It doesn't have to be the same topic, but just something that will feed into you, feed into your mind, feed into your soul. Tip number 7 is to move your body. Go for a walk, some stretches. If you don't want to fully exercise, just start by stretching. If you like working out, work out, go to a class, something to kind of move your body. You don't want to be stiff and your joints popping and everything constantly. So just do something that will just get your body moving. And even those couple of stretches, even if you like wake up in the morning and do a few stretches, that in and of itself is going to be life changing for your body and for your health, especially if you do it consistently every day. Tip number 8 is to take care of your skin, take care of your body. Find skincare products that cater to your specific skin type. Find tools and routines and rituals that will cater to your skin and your skin type. Some people have oily skin, some people have combination skin, some parts of people's faces are drier than other parts. It's just like there's so many things out there that you can get and use and apply to yourself that will um, help your skin to glow and just gives you an opportunity to pamper yourself daily, if not weekly. And my final tip is mind your business. Mind your business. Stop gossiping, stop talking about people. Just do you and think about why you feel like you need to be gossiping and talking about other people. If that is something that is in you, that is something that you're used to doing all the time, or if you just hang around people who just do that all the time, get rid of that negativity, get rid of that atmosphere, be by yourself if you need to, and just come to a place of figuring out why you feel like you need to do things like that and just move away from it. And I promise you that will change your life as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that these tips were helpful in figuring out ways to level up your life mentally, spiritually, and physically. And I will see you in the next video.